Jewish history. I see our holy temple standing strong. I see us joined together, one and all. For the seventh is a day of holy rest. Time we rest within the sound of Shabbat.